Well, my freshman year, I started this organization, Prairie Margins, the undergraduate literary journal. Instantly fell in love with the group that I was in, what I was doing, and it sort of drove the rest of my college career, and it's what I want to be doing for the rest of my life. Just by being in my organization and the other organizations that I'm in, I've found myself a lot, and I think that by doing that, I'm inspiring the younger students to also just try and find their niche in the college. I have already encountered so many great opportunities here. Not only has this been such a great opportunity, I've come to be an intern at the Graduate Literary Journal. I've come to know many people in this work environment, and it's a great inspiration for me.